Hello everybody, this is Greg with Superior Cleaning Equipment. Thank you for tuning in to another product spotlight. This is the Jet Force series of cabinet washers that we have made for us. Some very unusual things about this product. It has 3 standard sizes, but we can get almost anything made custom as well. What's cool about it is that, as you can see, it's got your basic swing out door, but unlike most parts washers in this price range, and it does have a great price range, you've got an insulated cabinet standard, and we sell these and order these mostly in all stainless steel. So not only is it insulated, and it's got a thick steel on the outside, it's got a thick steel on the inside, but it's got an insulated, but it's got a stainless steel cabinet all the way through and tank, which is very unusual for the price range for this machine. Another thing that's kind of cool about it is it's got a turntable here, which allows you to have multiple turntables and multiple baskets by basically bolting and unbolting in a new one. You want to keep this one on the bottom, that's fine. You want to add another one here, that's fine. You want to add another one up here, that's fine. And allows you with the jets and the openings in here for spraying on the bottom and the top to get good coverage. So a very nice feature. Another great feature of this unit is it has, and we'll zoom in here a little bit later on, 3 filters, okay? 3 filters that when the baskets are out and when it's removed out, you can pull out that capture any debris, okay, that is going into the tank. So instead of having to worry about cleaning out the tank or getting inside, which obviously you do after a period of time, these baskets are very easily accessible and just go right into the top here of that setup right there. It's 1, 2, 3. So you get a lot of the debris out of there. You just unbolt this, lift this up a little bit, or you can just move the basket out of the way like so. And all you have to do is go in here and you can grab your filter bags out of there. So a very nice feature. Another nice option on this unit, you've got a full NEMA control panel, temperature control, pump off and on. You got a 2-channel timer for your heater, okay, and your skimmer. You've got a vertical pump. Very nice feature on here, and you can also see on the other side, you've got some huge ball valves for draining the tank for any sludge accumulation, and also for oil draining off. We'll usually put like an elbowed pipe on here, run it into a 5-gallon bucket, drain any floating oil off of there into that unit. So very well built, stainless steel, insulated cabinet, multiple baskets, filtration available, all for a great price, and that is the Jet Force Aqueous automatic parts washer. But a great value for the money, cleans very well. We've done a lot of testing with them in here, sold 2 or 3 of them. We're getting ready to sell a bunch more, and we're excited about this product. So you can see more at www.sceclean.com. It's a dirty world. We can help, and we appreciate you.